How can you visit Mecca to perform Umrah? Reserving an Umrah package through Nusuk platform, nusuk.sa. Obtaining a personal visit visa via an invitation of Saudi friends in the kingdom by visiting the official website visa.mofa.gov.sa. Obtaining a visa on arrival if you are a visitor who is eligible for a visa, or if you are a permanent resident of the United States, the United Kingdom, or the European Union, or if you hold a visa of the United States, United Kingdom, or the Schengen visa. Obtaining an electronic visa if you are a visitor who is eligible to obtain a visa, or a resident in one of the Gulf countries, or if you are a permanent resident in the United States, or the United Kingdom, or the European Union, or if you hold a visa of the United States, United Kingdom, or the Schengen visa. By visiting the website visa.mofa.gov.sa. Obtaining a family visit visa from a relative residing in Saudi Arabia. Obtaining an electronic stopover visa by booking an airline ticket through Saudi Airlines or Flynas. Obtaining a tourist electronic visa through the website www.visitsaudi.com. In short, every visa that allows you to enter the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia qualifies you to perform Umrah.